So I have a new Moreart diorama and we are going to do an unboxing and a review. Moreart is coming with a couple of these dioramas and this is the first one I received. Let's take a look at the box. Here you see the diorama that is not inside, but I did a pre-order for this diorama. I believe this is the travel agency from Initial D. Not 100% sure, but on photo it looked really good. But the one that is in the box is this one over here. Some store with a little bit of street. You see the scale 164. Size in millimeters, so this is 20 centimeters in depth, 16.5 centimeters wide, 82 millimeters in height. Material, wood, acrylic, ABS. Okay, let's open the box. Oh, I think we have a manual, probably in Chinese. So here you see the brand name Moreart. Let's take a look at the manual first. Whoa, I even see some English translation. Moreart is improving. Okay, so we have light because here you see battery box is located at the bottom of the room using 2032 batteries. 2032 batteries, so you have to use bottom batteries. Insert the chamber body and the bottom plate accurately. So that goes over here. Then install the road sign to the corresponding hole on the bottom plate. Okay, that shouldn't be too difficult. Self-adhesive paper. I think those are stickers, can be selected according to personal preference. So there should be some stickers with it. Assemble to the pavement and place the house as shown in the upper left corner of the pavement. Okay, this product uses touch control power indication switch. Okay, so they have a manual. Nice. Okay, what do we have more? So here we got the base of the diorama. You have to open that. Yes, I already see some stickers and you see it's really well packed. A lot of foam around the diorama. Okay, let's see if we can take it out. There we have the diorama. It looks very nice. Yeah, just like on the photo. Here we got the touch button. And you see it comes almost already out of the box. I like that. Okay, what are we going to do? I think I have to use a knife for this. There we go. Ooh, not too much. Oh, I think it's better if I voila. Okay, let's take a closer look. And the light should be right here. Yep, and there we got a LED light, button battery. Very simple looking diorama, but I think it looks very realistic also. Then I have some stickers right here. I have to find out where I have to place those. I can do it right here. Well, maybe I don't use any stickers, who knows. we do need this traffic sign. Stickers, I'm going to put back in the plastic bag. Maybe we're going to use them later or maybe not. Okay, then we are going to open the base. Okay, let's take a look at the picture. So where do I have to put the... Because to be honest... I think, it's like this. So here you see what looks like a parking lot, but I think the diorama comes right here. But you can take it off and you can also use it as a parking lot. There you go. That is very handy. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to place the batteries inside. So how am I going to open this? Like this. Okay, so here you see minus and plus, and inside we see the other way around, we see plus and minus. Okay, let's take two batteries out. 1, 2. So if I'm right, minus is like that. So this is minus, and this is plus. We close the battery compartment. Then we use the touch. And nothing happens. Okay, we try it. Sometimes it's better to don't use the light. There we go. Batteries out. Okay, we do it like this. What's this? Minus. And plus. See, it's working now. So it is minus and plus. And when you touch the... That's very handy. Okay. So it's working. Cool. Okay, now the only thing I have to do is place the diorama on the base. Oh, and that is very easy. Perfect, I like that. And then we need a traffic sign. I'm going to do it like this. And now the only thing we have to do is create a scenery and put some cars in the diorama. See you in a sec. So I put the diorama next to my other two Japanese dioramas, and they're actually the same length or depth, I have to say. Those are also 20 centimeters in depth, but I decided to put the sidewalk on one line with the other dioramas. And you see what I did? I put some figures, accessories, and of course some cars in the diorama to bring it to life. So you see I used the plant over there, and that one comes from the Nikita diorama from Magic City Diorama. Did a review about it on my channel. The figure right here next to the vending machine is from Race Metal, just like the dog. This one right here is from Moreart, and it comes with the initial Tofu diorama, the first one they released. They also released another one, and that one is already available for pre-order. Did a pre-order, so I'm going to do a review about it. Monster vending machine, bought that one on AliExpress. We got the two figures right here from American Diorama, and those come with the motorbike right here and the one right here. Traffic sign is also from American Diorama, and those two figures are also from American Diorama. And the Honda City Turbo is from Inno64. Did a review about it on my channel. Now let's put the light on. There it goes. A lot of light, by the way. Let's make it a little bit darker in here. So, there we go. And then we can see how it looks with the light on. A little bit difficult to see, but I think it looks pretty nice. A very good diorama, very good quality, very easy to assemble, and nice that it comes with some light. But you definitely need some figures and accessories to give it some more life, like I said, and of course some cars. But yeah, very cool diorama. Let me know what you think about it in the comment. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to share it with your diecast friends. Have a very nice day, and I'll see you later. Bye.